What's going on, y'all? Today got a video on something that's pretty simple. Let's see how it works. In the garage, it should be pretty beneficial, but we're going to see how beneficial it really is. And what I'm talking about is this little light plug fixture ceiling fan. It has a remote control. You can reverse it. I guess you can set timing. Has 6 speeds, low decibel, 3 colors. Now this thing is in this box. This is a pretty small box. Oh, look at these little cute fan. This is my hand, and these are the fan blades. So these things are small. Got some double-sided tape, some screws. This is like a drop extension. The remote control is as big as the doggone fan blades. That is hilarious. And then we got the fan itself. So can you do like a double drop? I guess you could do a double drop if you need it. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna have it just right into the socket, and that's it. So I'm not a big instruction person, but it seems like the only assembly is gonna be the blades. Oh, so it just slips right in. All right, so my hands are dirty. I'm going to get all these blades installed, and I'll be right back. So this is a itty bitty little fan. So I'm not sure how to measure like a fan blade that has an equal amount of blades, but that's 16 inches from corner to corner. So it's about a 16-inch fan. So yeah, let's get it screwed in and let's see how it works. And it does not come with batteries, so you need 2 AAAs. So this should be a pretty straightforward install. We are just staying on top of this wheel. We're just gonna, well, let's make sure. Okay, yep. So let's just unscrew this. And then we are going to simply, oh, look how small this thing is. There's no way in the world this thing moves any type of air. No, oh God. No way possible this thing moves. Like, this is 2 of my hands, like size-wise. It's no way that thing moves any type of air whatsoever. Look how small. Like, come on now. Where's the remote control at? It is. Where's the remote control at? It is no way possible. That light is bright. I will give it that. This is not a review on the light. Hold on, where's my switch at? But I mean, that light is, it's pretty bright. Like, I'm not even gonna fake the funk on that. That light is pretty bright. Pretty bright. I think I lost the remote control. What did I do with it? Where? Oh, it's over here. All right. So it has 6 speeds. Can you reverse it on this? Oh, so you have the 6 speeds going around here. You have the light. Okay, you can turn the light off. You have fan on, fan off. So let's turn the fan on. Let's go 6. Holy crap. That thing actually moves? Man, ain't no way. No way. This thing actually moves pretty good air. This is crazy. Let me see if I can get, all right, so as you can see, not moving. This thing moves pretty good air. Like, this is crazy. I did not expect this to move this much air. Like, that's wild. So this is that 6? Yeah, that's 6. And of course, frame rates and everything else, you really can't tell how fast it's really moving, like on camera. But that's 1, and 1 is, I mean, it's moving air, but like 6. Come on. Come on. So 5, 6. 6 is moving. Like it's moving some air. Like I'm pretty impressed. Like if it's summertime and I'm under this, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. Not gonna lie. And then let's hit reverse. So reverse should turn it, of course, the opposite way, and then it should blow air up. So of course heat rises. So that's going to blow the hot air up to bring it back down. So you put it in reverse, but if you hit any speed, it puts it back in regular. So reverse doesn't do the 6 speeds, seems like. But you have your timers, and I don't know what this does. This little star thing, I guess it just slows it down so it's not full speed. Well, no, it's going back full speed. Not sure. So read the instructions. Oh, it alternates. So it goes full and then it slows down. So it doesn't keep a steady speed. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to put it over here, see if it fits. And if it fits, then I may order another one. So it fits over here. I need to take that wire and secure it up there. But yeah, this fits over here too. So I'm gonna be ordering a second light. So I'll have 2. So I have one there and one there. My old switch died. So I got a new Eaton single pole switch. Got it installed. All right, and you also notice that I now have 2 fans. So even though if you get the same fan, they don't work off of the same controller. You'd think they all would be the same, but they are not. So yeah, if you get 2 fans, make sure that you keep up with both controllers.